WalloAI is a powerful new AI software that's just hit the market. And in this review, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this software. Whether you're looking for a productivity boost or advanced tools to streamline your processes, WalloAI has some exciting features worth exploring. Stick around because I'll be sharing insights you won't want to miss about what sets WalloAI apart from the competition. First off, if you're curious about giving WalloAI a try, you can get started for completely free through the first link in the description below. This is a great way to get a hands-on feel for the software and see if it matches your needs without any commitment. So, what makes WalloAI stand out in the crowded AI market? One of its most compelling features is its ease of use. A lot of AI tools can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners, but WalloAI has been designed with a simple, intuitive interface that allows you to jump right in. Whether you're a small business owner, digital marketer, or a solo entrepreneur, you'll find that WalloAI's layout is clean and the learning curve is minimal. Now let's talk about its capabilities. WalloAI offers a range of tools to help you automate and enhance your workflows. From content generation to automating tedious tasks, WalloAI can handle a variety of needs. It's equipped with natural language processing, NLP capabilities, meaning it can understand and create content with impressive accuracy. Whether you're generating copy for social media posts or drafting blog articles, WalloAI streamlines content creation in ways that save time and effort. Another thing that stands out is WalloAI's integration with popular platforms. If you're already using tools like Google Docs, Slack, or various CRM systems, WalloAI makes it easy to connect and integrate with your existing tools, creating a seamless workflow that doesn't require you to jump between platforms. This level of integration makes it a real time saver for anyone already embedded in these platforms. On the topic of automation, WalloAI takes things further with its task automation feature. You can automate everything from email marketing campaigns to follow-up sequences. This can have a huge impact on efficiency, especially for digital marketers or businesses that rely on repetitive tasks. Another crucial aspect of WalloAI is its data analytics capabilities. The software doesn't just do the work, it provides insights. If you're running ads or campaigns, WalloAI helps you track the performance of your content, offering analytics that show which pieces are working best and why. This data-driven approach lets you make informed decisions quickly, which is critical in any fast-paced environment. It's also important to mention WalloAI's scalability. Whether you're just starting out or running a growing business, this software can scale with you. You can start small and expand your use of WalloAI as your needs evolve, making it an ideal choice for startups and larger companies alike. Finally, let's talk about customer support. WalloAI has been lauded for its responsive customer service team. They offer multiple ways to get in touch and are known for providing quick, helpful solutions. If you ever run into an issue or need assistance, you'll be in good hands. By now, you've probably already gathered that WalloAI offers a lot of value, but let's get to the nitty-gritty. You can try WalloAI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After using thousands of different AI tools myself, I'm recommending WalloAI as one of the best, and that's saying a lot. In conclusion, if you're someone who's been looking for a new AI tool to help streamline your work, WalloAI checks all the boxes: ease of use, automation, integration, scalability, and strong customer support. It's a software worth checking out, and remember, you can start for free through the link below. Before you go, I've also included a list of other AI software I've personally tested in the description, so feel free to explore those options as well.